Okay, first off, oh, here we go. So a little bit of iodine, right? Iodine, I tell the kids, they're like, what is that? I'm like, barbecue sauce. Disinfects everything really, 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 really well. All right, Dr. Binh, Healthy Feet Podiatry. We have an ingrown toenail procedure today on both sides, 1 and 2. Let's test her. Are you nice and numb? Ready? Numb, numb, numb. Yeah? All right, we're gonna get started. How long has this been brewing?
Multiple years.
Multiple years? Yeah. Stop.
Yeah,
I mean, I see the toe meat here. So anytime you see like this meat flap like develop, I mean, it means it's been brewing for like, like at least a month or two, but not multiple years. I would expect it to be a lot worse after multiple years.
Well, I did try my best to
kind of like cut it out yourself.
Keep it at bay.
Okay, yeah, you tried. It was an admirable attempt. So when's Costa Rica?
Not until next month.
Okay, so we got time to heal this. Okay,
exactly.
good. Yeah, Costa Rica, it can be a very, very fun place. I've never been. I've never been, but like there's a little bit of everything for everybody. Like for it's a good beach destination. It's a very interesting place for guys too. One of my other patients comes one day and he was telling me how he was about to go to Costa Rica, and like I was asking him like, hey, are you gonna do this, this, and this? And like, you could see him like staying in the back. He was like, don't say anything, because his girlfriend was in the room. Oh, so that was my story about that. You're on a guy's trip, you do all the day stuff, and you record it, like you post on Instagram. Oh look, I'm golfing, I'm dune buggying, I'm this and that. In reality, once nighttime hits, it's like, like bad stuff. Oh, ooh, wow, that's one. You can definitely see where you tried cutting out yourself, right? That's because that's not a natural growth right there. That's a unnatural cut. Let's try it though.
Thanks.
And one more. 1, 2. Oh, yeah. Wow. That was... There you go. She tried cutting this out too. Because you could tell, again, by that corner right here. See that? If I jab... Oh, yeah, that hurts. Can you imagine just that jabbing into your toe for, geez, years? So what was the straw that broke the camel's back? What was like, all right, I need to get this like removed?
Oh, look, I was going on this trip and I was afraid like a freshwater amoeba was gonna like swim into my foot or something.
Yeah, that's why I always go through and curette this corner right here, because there might be a nail in that toe meat, something in there. You don't like, if you watch the news, like one person a year like gets put in the hospital due to flesh-eating bacteria.
Yeah.
Right, and I'd never want it to be my patient, so I tell all my patients, listen, after procedure, you definitely want to keep this clean, keep it covered, avoid open bodies of water, maybe the pool, but even then the pool, there's a chance it can get infected in there as well, even though there's chlorine, on the other side of this pool, there's a guy like me just peeing in there and not going to the bathroom.
Just admitted for the internet that you
everybody does it, right? Like somebody did a study where they sampled the water. Here's the medicine that burns the root right here. They studied the water. Basically, that pool water at these pool parties is basically like toilet water. So you're just, in there with toilet water. But say we're burning the root here. This acid, sodium hydroxide, kills the matrix so that it doesn't come back ever again. 95% chance it doesn't. This is gonna take every bit of 2 or 3 weeks to heal. I want you to keep this clean, keep it covered, avoid, lakes, oceans, pools, things like that. Pool maybe, right? Definitely oceans and lakes. And we're gonna clean this up. Here's a little bit of vinegar to deactivate it. It's kind of like getting stung by a stingray. Now I'm peeing on it. That's one way to think about it, right? And then we'll let this sit in there to kind of get in the nooks and crannies. And that is it while I package her up. Anyways, thank you for recording. I'm going to be sure once, Ryan, you got to let me know when you submit this and upload this, because I'm going to send it straight I'm going to text her. I'm going to text her sister so they all get a link, all right? And guys, thanks for letting us record. Be sure to like and subscribe to your YouTube channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.